incident residential weapons and narcotics. Encounter date undetermined. Jurisdiction unidentified U.S. Location private residential address curtilage zone source bodycam footage. Vid 005. Duration 1002.
Baby, you good. Relax. You good. Relax. 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 Put your hands up right here. Put your hands up right here. Ma'am, step back and we'll deal with you in a second.
Wait.
Stay back. Stay back.
Relax. I will talk to you in a second.
Walter Reed, he put something in the back of that car.
Y'all come on. What are you doing?
Relax.
Why y'all got down?
Relax. Relax. He's got a warrant. Relax.
Get back in here. Stop hiding stuff. Everybody stop hiding stuff right now. Do not hide stuff. Do not. Yes, there is. I just saw him throw something in here.
Get out. Hop out. Turn around, face here. Turn around, face here. Put your hands up. You got anything like that on your body?
Relax. Hey. Do you want to know what's going on? Do you want to know what's going on? I'll tell you.
Tell me what's going on.
Let's all keep it down.
I knew it. That's right.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Everybody hang out here. Hey. Hey. Leave the door open, baby. Leave the door open. Leave the door open. Leave the door open. Hey, get us some more uniform. Chill. We're going to get with you in a second. Relax. 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 You guys want to know what's going on? I don't need to talk to you. I won't. I'll talk to you. You want to know what's going on?
Come on.
Just him in that car over there. Just him in the car. Him now. He's good. Honey, do me a favor, baby.
I'm getting my
Listen, don't reach in the car. I think there's a gun back here. Don't reach in here.
Okay, I'm getting my shoes.
Then tell me and I'll get it for you.
Can I get my shoes?
Here.
I need my
What's your name, sir? Yeah. He's good. He's good. He is not good. Anybody else? No. Yes, stand by. I think the zero's right here. Stand by. Yes. Stand by. The zero's right here. Get away. Hey!
What do you mean? We've been here. I swear we've been here. This is
We're gonna get.
He didn't do anything.
Okay. You can still see what's going on. Just step right over. Hey.
He just put his hands up.
Get your hands off of him, okay? Step back.
I'm not stepping over. What's in front of my cousin? What's in front of my nephew? I ain't got no understanding.
Okay, we'll get away
I ain't got
from the
no
car.
understanding when it comes here. At all. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna pass the fuck out. Hey, get car in there.
Do me a favor. Step right back over here for me, okay?
I'm
Well, I understand that, but you need to go right there, okay?
Why?
I'm telling you because you're all up in my shit right now, so back up.
Man, I'm not worried about that.
You get the fuck away from the car.
Touching me.
Get away from the car. This car is not what you need to
I'm not worried
do.
about you. I ain't doing nothing.
So step the
I'm
fuck
not
back.
doing.
Step back.
You got my face.
Step back.
What did you do now?
Stop touching me. I'm
You're
not.
not my shit, dude.
Yo, stop! That man, that one, he was just in that car, that shit wasn't just in there.
Not worried about that.
Shit wasn't even just in there.
Tripping, y'all man sitting right here. What you talking about? Just not worried about that. What's wrong with here?
Okay, that car didn't work
Get
yet.
out of the car. Stop that shit, man. Stop that shit, man. I don't want to hear that shit. I know you did.
But how you knew that was in the car? They was parked here. But why would you run up in the yard like that? They was parked here.
Back up, back up, back up.
Back up. You want to tell us this?
I don't want to, but I will. Oh, no, step back. You get back, dude.
Now you want to
Get back.
Now you want to get
Get back.
Now you want to use your badge as a threat.
Get back.
Man, I ain't doing shit. I ain't no
I'm
threat.
not worried about none
I'm
of that.
not a
You don't
threat.
fit me, brother.
I'm not a
You don't
threat.
fit me, bro.
I'm not a threat. Are you serious?
Back up, back
Are
up.
you serious?
Bro, these are crazy. back up. Everybody back up. Everybody back up. You too. Back up.
Got it? Got it?
Man, I did nothing wrong, bro. I did nothing wrong, bro. I don't got nothing. Fuck you talking about? I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong, bro. Oh, bro, I did nothing wrong.
Grab whoever dumped you in the car. Yes.
I did nothing wrong, bro. I y'all tasing me for and shit, but I did nothing
Check
wrong.
that cruiser. Looks like he's trying to bang some shit out.
No, bullshit, bro. I did nothing wrong, bro. At all, bro. At all, bro. Y'all tasing me for what? But I did nothing wrong. I'm in my front yard. What the fuck? Y'all tripping. I'm in my front yard, bro. Y'all goofing. Y'all gonna tase me for what?
Grab this guy. That's fine.
That's that fuck shit, bro.
You don't want to fucking listen? That's what happened.
Bro, what you talking about? I'm on my front porch.
Okay.
I'm on my front porch. He told me to back up. I backed up. I'm on my front porch. The fuck?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, tripping.
You got anything on you, bro?
They have it.
What's going on?
You got warrants?
No, sir.
Now that you know. What's your name?
Walter Reed. What's going on?
I think you got warrants, bro.
I got warrants. What I got warrants for?
We'll figure that
Hey,
out.
just 414, he put something in the back passenger seat area. The car was still occupied and people were still moving around inside the car.
Turn around. Spread your feet.
Hey, get in some more uniform out here.
Bro, call my baby. Bro, call my baby mama,
Get
bro.
them zone units out to 3882 13
I love you, brother. I swear to God, brother.
I'm gonna go off for a second. Come here, I'm gonna talk.
So, I don't know if you got mine or I got yours. I guess I'll know what's your mom. Mine doesn't have that kind of clip. Okay.
All right. Wait. You got a number I can get?
It was right here. Excuse me. So the driver? What's gonna happen with the driver? Yeah, like he didn't do anything.
Anybody get a cell phone?
That's why my nephew, that's why I'm high, because he don't do nothing.
Okay, let me talk to him on top of the car. Whoever that was, he handed it off to that girl right there.
Yeah, but that is because it was just a surprise, just a ride.
Just a few minutes to kind of make sure the situation is I don't know. It was kind of chaotic. Oh, there's a gun right there. Okay.
I'm sorry, one more question.
Now you want to go?
Driver.
Oh, okay.
Got a bag full of weed and another zero underneath it.
I can smoke.
Right there on the floor.
Okay. Not right now.
It's on top.
Whose card? Card. Anybody? Okay, let's let you know.
Wait, not get my phone.
No, everything's staying in the car. Everything's staying in the car. Everything's in the car.
No, my
Everything's
school
staying in the car. I understand that.
No, I gotta go to school tomorrow.
I don't think you
I need my
understand.
stuff.
You know, but nothing's coming out of that car.
I need my stuff.
I hear what you're saying, but nothing's getting taken out of the car.
Hello? You police. Bro, you can go in there and get my backpack?
Nope.
I gotta
When it's
go
all
to school
done, when
tomorrow.
everything's done, you can get the stuff out of here.
Okay, I'm gonna be going by the time
Hey,
y'all
y'all should
black.
thought about that before y'all put my mama yard with this shit, bro.
I need my
don't
backpack.
understand that. My kids
You're gonna have to
man.
wait. I'm sorry.
Key legal issues: Fourth Amendment search and seizure, curtilage attenuation doctrine. Subjects Officer S. Unnamed. Subject Walter E. Evidence recovered 1 firearm marijuana. Case outcome unknown. At time of analysis. Charges anticipated. Suppression challenge likely. Plain view. Doctrine Horton v. California. 496 U.S. 128-1990. 3 required elements. 1. Officer lawfully present at the location. 2. Incriminating character of item immediately apparent. 3. Officer has a lawful right of access to the object. All 3 elements satisfied by the officer's direct observation of the concealment throw. Analysis. Observing an active concealment attempt, not merely contraband, strengthens plain view justification beyond passive observation cases. Automobile exception. Carroll v. United States, 267 U.S. 132-1925. Officers with probable cause may search a vehicle without a warrant. Extended to all containers within the vehicle. United States v. Ross, 456 U.S. 7981-982. California v. Acevedo, 500 U.S. 5651991. No warrant required even when time to obtain one exists. Analysis. The observed throw establishes probable cause. Discovery of the firearm then authorizes full vehicle search, including all containers. The bag of marijuana found alongside the firearm falls squarely within the Ross Acevedo extended search authorization. Curtilage Doctrine Florida v. Jardines, 569 U.S. 12013. The curtilage is part of the home itself for Fourth Amendment purposes. Curtilage includes yard porch driveway areas sharing the intimate domestic character of the residence. Origin Oliver v. United States 466 U.S. 170-1984. Ordering residents away from their own curtilage requires independent constitutional justification. Consent exigent circumstances, or a narrowly tailored safety perimeter order. Proximity to a suspect alone is insufficient. Analysis officers may temporarily restrict curtilage access when a weapon is confirmed or reasonably suspected in the area, provided the restriction is proportionate in scope and duration to the articulable safety justification. Fourth Amendment reasonableness standard applies. Investigatory stop Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. Officers may briefly detain a person based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Suspicion must be specific, objective, and individualized, not based on mere proximity to criminal activity. Ybarra v. Illinois, 444 U.S. 851979. Presence near a person of interest does not alone authorize a Terry stop. Analysis. The observed throw satisfies Terry for Walter E. specifically. Detention of bystanders without individualized suspicion presents a separate Fourth Amendment exposure. Attenuation Doctrine Utah v. Streif, 579 U.S. 232-2016. Evidence from a potentially unlawful stop may remain admissible if a pre-existing valid arrest warrant severs the causal chain between the alleged Fourth Amendment violation and the evidence discovered. Streif 3-factor test. 1. Temporal proximity between illegality and discovery. 2. Presence of intervening circumstances. A valid outstanding warrant qualifies as such. 3. Purpose and flagrancy of the initial police misconduct. A routine investigatory stop weighs in the government's favor. Analysis Walter E. C's. Confirmed outstanding warrants constitute the intervening circumstance under Streif, likely defeating any MAP v. Ohio suppression motion 367 U.S. 6431961 as to evidence recovered incident to the lawful warrant arrest. Constructive possession requires 1. Knowledge of the item's presence, 2. Ability to exercise dominion and control over it. Observed item transfer between bystanders during the encounter may expose those individuals to constructive possession charges, or to charges of aiding and abetting evidence tampering or obstruction of justice under applicable state criminal code. First Amendment. Verbal provocation, City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4, 511987. Profanity and verbal challenges directed at police officers are constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment. Personal offense taken by an officer at a subject's language does not constitute lawful grounds for arrest or use of force. Key lessons officers document probable cause observations in real time via radio. FRE 8031, a present-sense impression recorded contemporaneously is admissible as a hearsay exception strengthening suppression defense. Curtilage restrictions must be individualized and proportionate. Blanket crowd removal at a residence without per-person suspicion creates Section 1983 exposure. Bodycam gaps are policy violations, not automatic Fourth Amendment violations, but they materially weaken credibility at suppression hearings. Key lessons, subjects, and bystanders. Outstanding warrants eliminate most Fourth Amendment suppression arguments. Through the Streiff attenuation doctrine, address warrants before encountering police, not after. Remaining silent and invoking Fifth Amendment rights. Miranda v. Arizona 1966 protects against self-incriminating statements made during detention. Physical resistance creates independent criminal exposure. It does not invalidate an otherwise unlawful stop. The remedy is suppression, not resistance. Case law cited in this analysis. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Horton v. California, 1990. Carroll v. United States, 1925. California v. Acevedo, 1991. United States v. Ross, 1982. Florida v. Jardines, 2013. Oliver v. United States, 1984. Utah v. Strife, 2016. Ybarra v. Illinois, 1979. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Mapp v. Ohio, 1961. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. South Dakota v. Opperman, 1976. U.S. Const. Amend. IV U.S. Const. Amend. I.U.S. Const. Amend. V. This analysis is presented for educational purposes only. Outcomes may vary by jurisdiction. Consult legal counsel for case-specific advice.